Assalamualaikum students. As we are doing lesson of decimal 2 chapter number 9 and today's lecture is lecture number 4. Today we are going to discuss the division of decimals. This topic is very important and a little bit tricky, so you have to watch this video very carefully. So let's start our question, and the question is divide 0.36 by 4. You can see that we have one digit before decimal. So we will start our division, and firstly we have to multiply by which number? 0, because here is 0. So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now we have to solve 3. You have to keep one thing in your mind which is very important, that as we are going to solve 3 but there is a decimal between 0 and 3, it means there is a decimal before 3. So whenever you are going to solve the value after decimal, you have to put your decimal here. Firstly you have to put your decimal here, then you can solve the value, the digit after decimal. Okay, listen this point very carefully. Whenever you are going to solve the digit after decimal, before solving you have to put this decimal here, then you can solve your digit after decimal. Okay, so now we will solve 3. As you can see that 3 is smaller than 4, so 3 cannot be divided by 4. That's why we have to bring down 6. So read out the table of 4 and tell me where you will get the digit 36. Very good. Read out the table of 4 and tell me on which digit you get 36. Very good. 4 nines is 36. So 36 minus 36 will give us 0. Our division is complete, and here is the just one point that you need to keep in your mind. Let's move to our second question to understand this topic more. Our second question is divide 4.1 by 4. So let's do the division. As you can see that here we have 4. So firstly we have to multiply 4 by 1. Now we are going to solve 1. So what we need to do? We have to put decimal here, then we can solve 1. So now we will bring down 1 and we can solve it. But 1 is smaller than 4, and as well as there is no digit that we can bring down to solve our division.
And in decimal you have to keep one thing in your mind, that we cannot leave our remainder as a digit. We have to make it 0.
So for completing our division, here is an important point that you can do. Whenever we put decimal here, we can put 0 as much we need here. If we need 30 here, we can put 30. If we need 20, we can also put 20. But here we just need 10, so I put here 10. Now I can bring down this 0 here and can solve our division. So read out the table of 4 and tell me where you got the number 10 or the number smaller than 10? Hurry up, read out the table of 4. Yeah, very good. 4 2s are 8. So here we will put 8. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. Again we have remainder 2, but we have to make the remainder 0. So what we will do? I said to you, I can put 0 here as much as I need. So again I will put 0 here and then I will bring down it. Now read the table of 4 and tell me where you got the number 20. 4 5s are 20. So 4 5s are 20 and 20 minus 20 is 0. So this question is complete and you have to keep these points in your mind. The points related to 0 and the point related to remainder.
Now move to our third question. Our question is divide 54.36 by 9.
We are going to solve it. Divide 54.36 by 9. So 9 6 are 54. Okay. Again here is a point we are going to solve 3. So what we will do? Hurry up. Think about it. Recall my first 2 questions. What we need to do? Very good. We need to put decimal here. So as we have put decimal here, we will bring down 3. As 3 is smaller than 9, so it cannot be divided by 9. What we do? Here is a question. You can put 6 here. You can bring down 6 here. Okay. Then 9 4s are 36 and you will get the quotient 6.4. But if we multiply 6.4 by 9, we will not get 54.36. It means there is a mistake with our division. That's why firstly we will multiply 9 by 0 and we will put 0 here and bring down our 3 here. After bringing down 3 here, we can bring down 6 here. It will become 36. So 9 4s are 36 and remainder will be 0. We need to put here 0 because if we don't do these steps, our division will become wrong. Because after multiplication we didn't get 54.36. Now you can see that if you multiply 6.04 by 9, you will get 54.36. It means your division is right, your method is right, and you can solve it in this way. You have to keep those points in your mind that I told you in this video, which will help you to solving the division of decimals. Okay, you have to do practice of these questions at your home as much as you can. So Allah Hafiz.